How to make money on YouTube and basics for beginners. Introduction. Welcome to your YouTube success journey. Welcome to today's video. Whether you're here because you want to turn your passion into profit or simply looking to understand the basics of YouTube, you're in the right place. In the next 15 minutes, we'll cover how you can start earning money on YouTube, even if you are a complete beginner. The basics of YouTube. Understanding YouTube logo and interface overview. YouTube is more than just a video sharing platform, it's a community and a powerful tool for creators. To start, you need a Google account to create your own YouTube channel. Creating a channel. Step by step of creating a YouTube channel. Once you have your Google account, head over to YouTube, click on Create a Channel, and follow the prompts. Choose a name that reflects your content and resonates with your target audience. Setting up your channel. Customization options, banner art, profile picture. First impressions matter. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture, banner art, and a description. This sets the tone for what viewers can expect from your content. Creating content. Finding your niche. Various niches displayed: gaming, vlogging, tutorials. Before you start filming, it's crucial to decide on a niche. Whether it's gaming, vlogging, tutorials, or beauty, finding your niche helps attract a dedicated audience. Planning your content. Content calendar and video ideas list. Consistency is key on YouTube. Plan your content in advance using a content calendar. This keeps your uploads regular and your audience engaged. Filming tips. Basic filming setup, camera angles, lighting. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. A smartphone with good lighting can work wonders. Pay attention to your background, camera angles, and ensure your audio is clear. Editing. Your video editing software, basic cuts, adding music. Editing is where your video comes to life. Use free editing software like DaVinci Resolve or iMovie to polish your videos. Focus on trimming unnecessary parts and adding music or effects to enhance the viewing experience. Growing your channel. Understanding YouTube SEO. YouTube search bar, keywords, tags. To get your videos discovered, you need to understand YouTube SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos appear in search results. Scene 10. Thumbnails and titles. On screen, examples of engaging thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see. Make them eye-catching and relevant to your content. This can significantly boost your click-through rate. Scene 11. Engaging with your audience. On screen, comment section, likes, shares. Engagement is a two-way street. Reply to comments, ask your viewers questions, and encourage them to like and share your content. Building a community is crucial for long-term growth. Chapter 4. Monetizing your channel. Scene 12. YouTube Partner Program. On screen, requirements for monetization, YouTube Partner Program dashboard. Now, let's talk about making money. To monetize your channel, you'll need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This requires at least 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours in the past year, or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply directly from your YouTube dashboard. Ad revenue. Ad types. How ad revenue works. One of the primary ways to earn money is through ad revenue. YouTube displays ads on your videos, and you earn a share of the revenue based on views and ad clicks. Other income streams. Examples of affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise. But don't rely solely on ads. Explore other income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling merchandise. Diversifying your income can significantly boost your earnings. Tips for success. Consistency and patience. Calendar and growth chart. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Be consistent with your uploads, stay patient, and keep improving your content. Over time, you'll see growth. Learning and adapting. Analytics dashboard, learning resources. Use YouTube Analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Learn from other creators, adapt to trends, and don't be afraid to experiment with new content. Final thoughts, encouraging message, call to action to subscribe. And that's it. With the right approach, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can start earning on YouTube and potentially turn it into a full-time career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy creating!